Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well. Today in this video I will show you some beautiful and amazing designs of crochet blanket patterns. Like you can see different colors and different designs and different patterns, some granny squares, some contrasted with different colors, light with dark colors. And look at this one, multicolors and some flowery patterns. It's all up to you guys the way you want to create your blanket, and you can customize it with your bed sheet. So these are just an idea for you guys how can you design a blanket of crochet, and they are very eco-friendly as compared to other blankets, so you can use it the way you want it to be. And if you like the video, do subscribe the channel, and let your friends also know about these amazing crochet blankets patterns, because they are really trending nowadays. And you can customize it and you can create any design with any color. It's all up to you guys. They are very stylish and trending nowadays. Look at this sunflower patterns. This is so beautiful. And this one also, like rainbow pattern, you will find in any color, in any design, in any pattern. In this collection I have presented you almost all designs and patterns, and they are very eco-friendly as compared to other blankets. You can even gift it to someone else. And I like this one's so cute and beautiful. So yeah, if you like the video, do subscribe the channel and follow for more, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for the latest and upcoming videos. So thank you.